If you want to earn commissions by promoting digital products and services, joining the Partnerstack affiliate program is a great choice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Partnerstack quickly and easily in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Partnerstack website. Partnerstack is a platform that helps companies manage affiliate and partner programs, and it also lets you join multiple programs from one account. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Sign Up or Join as an Affiliate. Click on it. Now you'll need to create your account. Enter your full name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure you use a valid email because you'll need it to confirm your account. After filling out your information, click Create Account or Sign Up. You may receive a verification email. If so, open your email inbox and click the confirmation link to verify your address. Once your account is verified, log into Partnerstack. Now you're in your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of companies and affiliate programs that are available to join. Browse or search for the program you want to promote. Many companies use Partnerstack to manage their affiliate programs, so you'll find a variety of options. When you find a program that interests you, click Apply or Join Program. Some programs approve you automatically, while others might require manual approval from the company. If approval is required, wait for the confirmation. You'll be notified by email or inside your Partnerstack dashboard. Once you're accepted into a program, you'll have access to your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. You can copy your link and start promoting it on your website, social media, YouTube videos, or email lists. Partnerstack also shows your performance stats, earnings, clicks, and payouts directly in your dashboard. And that's it. That's how you sign up for the Partnerstack affiliate program in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.